Learn jobs in Arabic with quiz test.
One. Question. What does Falah mean? A farmer or a firefighter? Answer. It's a farmer. Great job. 2. Tabib. What does Tabib mean? A doctor or a baker? It's a doctor. Well done. 3. Khabaz. What does Khabaz mean? A baker or a pilot? It's a baker. Excellent work. Shorti. What does Shorti mean? A police officer or an astronaut? It's a police officer. Amazing. Which of these is a Muallim? A butcher or a teacher? A teacher. Great. Is a teacher who helps students learn. Keep it up.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.